So let's take a look at the referral program. So we go up here to the top and we go to our dashboard. And in the top right hand side, we see earn up to 40% commission. So I'm going to click that. You can scroll down. When you refer somebody to come onto Binance and they trade, each trade that they make, 10% goes to you and 10% goes to them. So basically, if you don't have any links here, you click here on the side and it says generate link. And over here, you can choose what kind of a percentage commission you and your friend will get. So you can have a 0 to 20%, you can receive 15% and your friend receives 5%, or you can do 10 on 10. So how exactly does the commission work? I had a chat with Binance to ask them this question. And the concept is basically every time a trade occurs for the referred user, and a trade is defined as the user buys or sells a coin, then a commission is granted to both parties. Now, I don't understand the exact mechanics of this commission process, but what I've asked, if the person spends $10, for example, I will get $1 and they will get $1. And this was confirmed as yes by the Binance people, but they've also said that there are some technicalities that I don't fully understand regarding the BNB account. And so basically, once you generate a link, it comes up over here. And then you can click here, copy link, and you can paste the link in the respective spot over here. And so if you send this link off to somebody, this is what they will see. So it's really easy to use. So let's have a look at how the commissions work. Basically, every time a trade occurs, either buys or sells, I'm getting some sort of a commission, and it is calculated in terms of Bitcoin. Now, I have made a document here where you can change these links to your own personal links, and I've given all the information of the referral program and the general rules of it, so you can access this here. I'll leave a link in the course outline for you to access the referral code section and refer some friends, and you can start earning some commission off of other people's trades. If you want to learn more about trading crypto, I'll leave a link in the description.